This is elevator B at the Morrow Park City Apartments in Morrow Park, Bloomfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This one's also Schindler 400AE with HT fixtures. I've not been to the inside of this one yet, in case fire not use elevators. This one's like the service elevator because it has padding. Garage 2. This one has the chimes, the other one did not. Here we go down. These are from 2014, I think.
Floor G2.
Here at Garage 2. This one has a louder voice and a really quiet chime. Up 6. But the other ones had no chime and a quiet voice. Here we go up. Again, I was hoping for 5,500, but oh well.
Floor P6.
Here are 6. I don't know why it says P6. That's weird. Alright, we'll go back down to 1. 88 phone. Pretty basic cabinet. This one's padded because this is the service elevator. Don't know why 5 doesn't show up on the indicator. That's weird.
Floor 1.
Here back at 1.